Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.